Oh! Let's go. Push up.
Let's work. You gotta dunk this, you gotta dunk this, let's go. My man, let's go, G. Let's knock him down, G. You got this. Cash money, it's your gym. Cash money, there we go. Cash money. Knock that down, bang, bang. Ah. Step into that shot, snap that wrist, lock in that elbow. There we go. It did look good. I thought it went in. Ah, make this last one, G. Come on. Make this last one, G. There you go. Make this layup. Let's finish it strong. Lay it in. Go get some water.